Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. We wish you a very happy new year. My name is Josh, and today we'll be discussing about Bitcoin and what could happen to BTC in 2024. We'll be presenting AI-based forecasts in this video. First of all, we'll start with the logarithmic regression trend line and the bands for BTC for 2024, a historical analysis and then the AI-based forecast. So the chart that you're seeing on the screen is the Bitcoin logarithmic scale chart, and it is at a weekly level and it has the logarithmic regression bands. So per our analysis so far, the line in yellow is the 100-week moving average. Historically speaking, the price action when it is below 100-week moving average, especially during the end of the bear market, that has been the accumulation um, phase for Bitcoin. Bitcoin does at least once before has had a price action below 100 week in the halving year. I think that corresponded with the March 2020 crash. Apart from that, there is no record of Bitcoin going below the 100 week for a prolonged period in the halving year. So, similar story played out in mid to late 2020 and lasted to about middle part of 2023. So, after Bitcoin ventured and rallied beyond its 100 week, I think starting October 2023, it has jumped through this three-tiered lower band of the regression trend line, the green bands, and now it is rallying up against the fair value, which is the line in white, coming in at almost $43,450. If you zoom in, you can see that the rally that BTC had late December was above this fair value of BTC from a regression band standpoint. So what are some of the key levels of this regression band? Now that it's the we are in the halving year, uh, the first the first line, which is also increasing line. So right now it is at 43,000, but if you draw this imaginary line towards the end of year 2024, this line could be somewhere between 50 to 55,000. Similarly, the lower bound of the uh, overvaluation regression band is coming in at 73,000. And historically speaking, towards the end of halving year, that's when Bitcoin's price action tries to rally it close to the at, close to the overvaluation territory. So maybe sometime in December of 2023, that could value could correspond to somewhere between 70 and 80,000, 75 and 80,000 dollar. So that is also a key level to watch. In the post-halving year, like in 2021, which would be in similarly in 2025, we will have a post-halving year. The price action goes slightly above this middle part of this overvaluation band. Right now, the value of overvaluation band is coming in at 101,000, but as I imagine, 1.5 years from now could be somewhere between 115 to $120,000. So that is also a key level to watch. Um, Apart from this, we'll now focus on the AI-based forecast for BTC. The focus of our channel is to use AI and machine learning techniques to forecast the base case, the bull case, and the bear case for cryptos. We use ARIMA, LSTM, and other similar machine learning related models, also Z-score based undervaluation and overvaluation analysis for cryptos. Today we'll be presenting five scenarios because we are in the halving year and it is normal apart from having the bull case. It is normal to have a mania case which is two standard deviation away. Bull case is just one standard deviation away from mean, and you can see that in the halving year the last value on the tooltip is the z score, which is corresponding to moves which are larger than one standard deviation. So the value is higher than 1.23 over here. It's almost two in post halving year. So it makes sense to have a two standard deviation mania phase and AI based forecast for mania phase as well. And another case that we'll be talking about is the panic phase if there is a recession. So and these forecasts that I'm sharing are not financial advice, and they are sorted from highest to lowest probability. So the base case is of the highest probability, followed by the bull case, followed by the mania phase, followed by the bear phase, and ultimately the panic case. So the per hour base case model, the forecast for 2024 is between for BTC is between 43,000 in January to about 57,000 in December. And the trajectory, you can see that it's from slow grind upwards to about middle part of 2024. That is actually the month of the halving is April of 2024. So about the first half of 2024 is between 43K to 46K, and most of the action happens per our model starting September of 2024. That is the last quarter, the last part of the year, the last 4 months of the year between 49,000 and 56,000. The bull case, which is one standard deviation move to the upside, that case for BTC is price action at a monthly level between 46,000 and 64,000. Again, a slow grind to about July at from 46K to 51K, slight crash in August, and then starting September from 53K to 64K. The mania case, which we talked about, is it's two standard deviation away. If there is a bullish narrative for BTC in 2024, such as ETF approval, positive outlook related to Bitcoin halving, and institutional adoption. So this could correspond to a two standard deviation move. That's why we tweaked our model to incorporate this mania related prediction. And in that scenario, the forecast is between 49,500 to about 72,500. So it's a wider range, and you can see that there is also a similar trajectory from now. Let's say January has that bullish catalyst to about July to from 49K to 55K, and major action starting September from 56K to 72K. Now we move towards the bearish scenarios. If there is not so great outlook for BTC for this year due to macroeconomic environment not supporting a rally, the floor in that scenario is between 29,000 and 48,000, and the floor shifts significantly. There is a slow grind between January to about August from 29K to 34K, and this is not strictly a periodic evaluation. This would, if let's say the bearish catalyst doesn't arrive till May, all of these predictions till May are invalidated, and then we focus what could happen starting May. That is from 30K to about 35K till August, and then the floor also shifts from 30 starting September 36K to about 48K. And the last scenario is a panic. If there is, let's say, a macro recession or um, a macro negative outlook, in that case, if that happens, let's say towards the middle part of 2024, the floor for BTC in that case would be at around 18K, um, and to that floor till August is still 21K. Let's say we don't see that macro downturn till August, then the forecast begin from 21K to about 38.5K or almost 39K. So just to summarize all the scenario, the base case is between 43K to about 57K. The bull case is between 46K and 64K. The mania case is between 49K and 73K. The bear case is between 29K and 48K, and the panic case is between 15K and 39K. So hope you like this content. If you did, please subscribe to the channel. Also give this video a like, and hope you have a wonderful 2024, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.